Yeah, and then we also got this drink from Tiger Sugar. It's called what is it called? The black cream something?
Yeah.
Yeah, so.
Bubble tea. What's up, y'all? We're back with another video. First and foremost, I want to send out some prayers to everyone. We're going through this pandemic, you know, it's affected everyone some way or another. So I definitely want to send out some prayers. Stay safe, you and your family. Well, on today's video, I wanted to try something a little different because, you know, I usually try to eat what I'm comfortable with. And we all are guilty for that. So today I just wanted to go ahead and do something completely off my norm. I let him pick what I wanted to eat today. I don't even know what it is. I've never eaten it before. If you mind letting them know what this is.
So basically it's like a black bean noodle paste noodles, black bean sauce, and we gotta have also some sushi and some dumplings here.
Sounds good. My tummy is like growling right now.
Yeah, and then we also got this drink from Tiger Sugar. It's called what is it called? The black cream something?
Yeah.
Yeah, so.
Bubble tea. But I have had this multiple times, and I can tell you guys, this is amazing. If you don't ever taste it, take it from me. It's amazing. Usually you just have to like shake it around a little bit before you actually drink it.
Yeah.
Because you got all the stuff at the bottom and stuff. I don't know if y'all can see it. You just got to shake it a little good.
Yes, sir. Let's get started.
Alright, man.
Yeah, so what you do is you mix this up. Mix this drink up.
There you go. Oh yeah, I don't use chopsticks, so you already know from the previous videos.
Well,
come on, man.
Yeah. I did try though, but don't work out for me as well. It is a little bit harder though to mix together.
Yep.
Without the chopstick.
Dang.
You'll mess yourself over there. By the way, guys, I know it's a little crazy out there in the world nowadays. Let's stay safe out there.
Yep.
Love each other. Love each other. That's all we can do nowadays.
Hopefully it gets better.
Yeah. Hopefully we all one day can become brothers and sisters. I don't know about you, boy. I'm about to dig in. Alright, guys. First bite. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Drink good?
Yes, sir. I made sure I didn't eat breakfast this morning just so I have space for this. Look at this. You said this one right here was sushi?
Mm-hmm.
I'm try one of this. What's in it?
Carrots, crab imitation, egg,
Look at that.
spinach, and
Look at that bad boy.
daikon.
Look at that bad boy. Yeah, I do eat a lot. I just can see this tummy. Guys, I'm trying to try all cultural food. So if y'all got some ideas, let me know. I'm trying to get out of the norm. I don't want to keep eating McDonald's, Burger King, Wendy's. I'm tired of that. I'm ready to eat some good food.
What'd you think so far?
It's good. I can see myself eating this at least once a week.
Didn't your cousin make this?
Actually, I did have this. My cousin made this. It was a little different though. It tastes a little different. That's where I remember it from. I think it has a little sweetness to it. Damn. Lightness crazy on the arm. Belly might be big though, but the arm's up there. The worst thing is eating with glasses, I swear. Always sliding. Try the tea. By the way, guys, on the next video, I'm thinking about trying some spicy noodles. From what I heard, it's very, very spicy. I tried one that was like so spicy. It wasn't that spicy. But I heard there's like some that's like way spicier than the one I had. Knowing me, gotta try it, baby. Gotta try it. Didn't they give us a family deal or something?
What?
This is a big old plate.
Yeah.
This is good. Really good. What is that right there?
This? Your favorite?
What? Kimchi? Hey, look at that. I'm changing. I know my food now.
Yep. And then this is, you know, remember
Good
this?
kimchi. Oh, that's my cousin had that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I ain't really like that. But it wasn't cut up. Guys, Vegas has been treating us well. Things starting to get together. So I'm very happy. Despite all this like coronavirus going around and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Things is all going in the right direction.
We should do a house tour soon.
Yeah.
We'll do one very soon coming up.
Very soon.
Yep, so stay tuned for that.
I do still want to do the spiciest, I mean the hot chips. But for that we gotta order it online.
The spicy chip challenge?
That Carolina Reaper, I think they called it. I used to hate spicy stuff with a passion. But now like lately I just been eating spicy every day. At least one thing that's spicy. This is good, bro. What would you say? Would you consider this food healthy?
Besides the drink.
Hey, it's tea, right?
Yeah.
Would y'all consider this a healthy drink? It's a bubble tea. It has milk in it.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. And what else? Well, it says cream.
And then the boba.
Oh, you dropping?
Oh.
What is the bubble made out of?
It's good. Probably jelly, I think. I don't
Jelly.
know. That's what I'm guessing.
I ain't even trying one of these yet. We be eating good. I ain't gonna lie, we be eating good.
Mm-hmm.
Your brother definitely introduced us to a good bit of stuff.
Yup.
I don't think I'm gonna finish this though because there's a lot of food.
And I'm glad that they have this Korean market down here.
Oh yeah, this man finally found a Korean market. When we was at in Florida, could never find one. Come here, he found one. It was like a kid going to Disney World for him.
Yup. You about to finish with us?
Nah. God, I eat good, but not that good. Gotta get this down. What about you? When you was ordering this, I was like, there's no way this is gonna fill me up. Because I was reading what it said, but I didn't think it came out like this big.
All these noodles?
Mm-hmm. This is definitely a 2-person meal. Oh, damn. Yeah, I'm getting full. Bruh. What's his name? Matt Stoney?
Mm-hmm.
How do he eat like so much food? Like, I've been watching his videos lately.
He be training.
This man, oh my god, bro. Guys, that man is not human. I swear he's not. Say he trains?
Mm-hmm.
He trains for that type of stuff?
Probably.
He'll eat whatever you tell him to eat. Yeah, I'm getting full.
What'd you like the best?
It's crazy because I kind of like this the best.
Mm-hmm.
But this is pretty good too. 1 through 10, what would you give this?
Which one?
Based on like all the ones that you had before, what would you give this?
Maybe like a 7.
7?
Mm-hmm. I had better ones.
Well, for
you,
me,
you
solely, it'd probably just be off of taste. Can't really compare it to too many other times I had it. I'd probably say this probably was a good 7, 8. It was pretty good. It's different from what I eat on a daily basis. What about the sushi?
Probably like an 8.
I probably get that a 9 because you know I don't eat too many like spectacular sushi. What about this?
That probably like a 6.
I probably give it about a 5.
It wasn't the best.
What about the tea?
Tea is pretty good.
What number you give that?
Like a 9.
You know what I'm. You know what number I'm about to give it. I could drink this every day if I could.
They'll take you out first before you take it out. Well,
I don't know yet. I can't. I'm not gonna be able. I'm sorry, guys. I'll just be forcing myself if I keep eating. Like I said, I'm gonna keep trying new things out the norm, because I don't want to keep eating the same thing, McDonald's and all that stuff over. So if you have some like cultural ideas, some cultural food, let us know, like Indian food, anything. I'm ready to try it. You got anything to say?
nah, just if you could, just like, share, subscribe, and comment. Be greatly appreciated.